Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the uh, hmm, sorry, one second. Advanced array types, right? So today we'll be discussing about the index signatures. So index signatures, basically what it does, index signatures define object types with dynamic keys and values types. So this is simple, right? Index signatures define object types with the dynamic keys and value types. This is useful for the objects with unpredictable or the dynamic properties, right? Let's try to implement the same with the examples. So first example, let's go with the basic index signature, and the second example, let's go with the numeric index signature. So first example, let's go with the basic index signature, or let's try defining the dictionary. So I'll just give here interface dictionary, right? So as I have said, so here index signatures define object types with the dynamic keys and the value types, right? So let me assign this one, I mean key, to the string, uh, right? So we'll be giving string here. So I'll just come out of the interface. Let me quickly make use of the variable name translations here. So here, let me assign this one to the dictionary, and within the object, let's assign hello, this one as key, and I'll just give ya hola. And let me consider world as a key, and value I'll just give here anything, hola Bharadwaj, something like that. So I'll just give here Bharadwaj, right? I'll just quickly come out of the object here. Let's log this one. Translations I have considered here. Within the translations, let's log the key. Key name I have given here hello, right? So within the string, I'll log hello. I have to get the output hola, right? So let me copy the same thing here. Let me quickly come here. Let me delete this one and give world. So let me quickly format the document here. So I'll explain what I've done here very quickly. So the dictionary interface, this one, the first line, whatever I have made use of here, the dictionary interface basically allows any string as a key with the string values. Again, I'm telling the dictionary interface, it allows any string as a key with the string values. You can clearly see here. That's what we have done here, right? Objects like translations, whatever I have made use of here, this one is an object, right? Object like translations confirm to this interface. Basically, we are giving the value within the strings here, right? Oh, hello, we are assigning this one to the hola, and world, this one to the Bharadwaj. Let's try to run the code. Let's see what this one output that we get. I'll quickly give here. Sorry. Uh, so yeah, I'll just give here node index.js. So sorry, what did I do? Let me run this one again. Yeah, here we are getting the output hola and Bharadwaj, that we have assigned this one to the hello, I mean hola to the key hello, and the Bharadwaj to the key world. So the output that we are getting here is hola and Bharadwaj, which is absolutely correct. So again, I'm telling the interface dictionary here allows any string as a key with the string values. You can clearly see here this one, right? And objects like translations, this one basically confirms to this interface, right? So the output that we are getting here is absolutely correct. So next example, let's see the numeric index signature. So let's continue with the second example, numeric index signature, right? I'll quickly give here interface. I'll just consider the name numeric index here. Within this one, similar to the previous example, I just consider here index, which is of the type number, and here I'll assign this one to the boolean, right? So I just come out of the interface. Let me quickly consider the variable name flags, or the objects we are considering, right? So I'll just give here uh, assign this one to the numeric index. So I have to give here equals, I guess, yeah. So let me consider the this one, key 0, and the value, let me set this one to the boolean value true. And also let me consider here 1, and let me set this one to the boolean value false. And finally, let me consider one more thing just for the example sake. I'll just give here 2, and let me set this one to the boolean value true. So this is it. I'll just come out of this one. Let me quickly log here this one. Flags I have considered here, right? Yeah. I'll just give here flags of 0, and I'll copy the same thing here. Instead of 0, let's pass 1 here. 0, 1 and 2 we have, right? So 0 we have assigned this one to the boolean value true, and 1 we have assigned this one to the false. So the output that we need to get here is true and false, right? I'll quickly explain whatever I have written here. So the numeric index, whatever I'm going with here, this one, the interface numeric index here, this one, it allows number keys with the boolean values. Again, I'm telling this allows number keys with the boolean values. So we can clearly see here the keys are of the type number, and values are of the this one boolean, right? Values are of the boolean value. So boolean type basically. So and arrays and array like objects can fit in this pattern basically. So while I log flags of 0 and flags of 1 here, we have to get the output basically true and false. Let's try to run the code here. So I'll just give here. So yeah, let's wait for some time. What happened here? So yeah, this has to be basically comma, not semicolon. So let me run this one again. So yeah, I'll quickly give here index.js, right? So we are getting the output true and false. You can clearly see here. So the code works absolutely correct. So I hope the concept of numeric index signature as well as the basic index signature is completely clear. Nothing but I hope the concept of index signatures are completely clear. Next, let's try to understand the recursive types, right? So let's try discussing on the recursive types topic. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.